Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at Amharic cooking words. So yeah, we can just jump right into it. So the first word that we have here is to cook. So for to cook we have mabsal. Mabsal, to cook. Mabsal. Next up we have to bake. To bake is magagar. Magagar. To bake is magagar. Then we have cut. To cut is makurat. Makurat. To cut. Makurat. Next we have to mince. Mefchet. Mefchet. To mince is mefchet. Next up we have raw. So in Ethiopian culture, some of the dishes include raw or like very rare beef. And so this is an important word for Ethiopian cooking. We have tere. Tere. So notice the apostrophe after the capital T. It's not tre, but it's tere. Tere. Yeah, that sound might need some practice, but yeah, tere. Next up we have oven, which is mididja. Mididja. Oven. Next we have meat. Meat is siga. Siga. Meat is siga. Next we have beef. For beef we have yebere siga. So it just means before we had meat, which is siga. Bere is a cow, so it's like the meat of cow, just beef. Yebere siga. Yebere siga. Next up, chicken is doro. Doro. You might be familiar with the dish doro what. The word what means stew, and doro is chicken. So if you say doro what, that's chicken stew. Doro. Fish is asa. Asa. Fish is asa. Next we have oil, which is zait. Zait. Oil is zait. Then we have egg. Egg is inkulal. Inkulal. Egg. Inkulal. Next we have salt, which is chao. So similar to tere, we have the ch and apostrophe, which kind of is an accented sound in Amharic. So this isn't like chew, it's chao. Chao. Salt is chao. Chao. And sugar is sikwar. 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 Thanks everyone for watching. I'm planning on posting again soon, so make sure to like and subscribe for the next videos. Take care. Cheers.